Hello everyone, this is Modal Test 2, Will and Would. Okay, in this test, you're going to select either will or would and fill in the blanks. And like my last video, the last test that I had, you can go back to my video on will and would for a review before you start. But if not, are you ready? Let's go! And the answer is, I will help you work on your car after work today, okay? Well, first of all, we usually use the contraction I'll when we're speaking. So it's I'll help you work on your car after work today, okay? And the next thing is, this is a realistic future action, and it's a promise. So we use will. Next, number 2. And the answer is, it's hot in here. I think I will open a window. Again, we use I'll, the contraction, when we're speaking. And this is a quick decision. And when we make quick decisions, we use will. Okay, number 3. And the answer is, if I had enough money, I would go to Australia. Remember, this is the second conditional. This is an unlikely or an unreal situation. If I had enough money, in this case, the person doesn't have enough money. So it's unlikely. Okay, so we use would. All right, number 4. And the answer is, if it snows tomorrow, I will stay at home. Or we can use I'll stay at home. Remember, we're speaking, so we usually use contractions. So this is a likely situation. This is the first conditional. All right, in this case, it will probably happen. It can really happen, so we use will. Okay, number 5. And the answer is, if I had gone to bed early last night, I would not have overslept this morning. Now, this is 2 events that happened in the past, and we're talking about an imaginary situation. Okay, the person's just imagining what might have happened. All right, third conditional. Okay, number 6. And the answer is, if I sleep now, I will be up all night, or I'll be up all night. All right, this is the first conditional. Did you get it? This is likely to happen, so we use will for the future. Okay? All right, number 7. And the answer is, would you like to spend Christmas with us? This is an invitation, and we use would. Why? Well, because it's very, very polite. Okay, number 8. And the answer is, would you like steak or fish for dinner? In this case, again, we're polite, and this is they're offering food to someone. So, would you like steak or fish for dinner? It's a very polite way to offer it. Okay, number 9. And the answer is, my wife said that she would help me wash my car after work today. This is an example of reported speech, and this is going to be in the past tense, so would is the past tense here of will. And because she said it, you're reporting what she said. And it's going to be would. Okay? Number 10. And the answer is, when he was a child, he would walk to school every day. In this example, we're looking at repetition in the past. So you have two things that are in the past tense, right? He was a child. He would walk. Okay? All right. Number 11. And the answer is, it's raining very hard right now. I wish it would stop. I have tickets to the game tonight. In this example, we're talking about wish. We're wishing. And when we use wish, we use would. All right, here's the final one, number 12. And the answer is, Gerard thinks it will snow tomorrow. Again, if we're speaking, we'll probably use a contraction like it'll snow tomorrow. And this is a prediction, and with predictions, we use will. All right, how did you do? Did you get 100%? Yes? Well, if not, try it again. And if you're still confused, go back to my video on will and would, and then try it again. Okay? Thanks for watching, and remember, keep practicing. See you next time!